In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Quizlet to complete some flashcards over the skeletal and muscular systems. First thing you need to do is log in. You have created a Quizlet login ID and password before. If you have forgotten it, you may need to create another one or refer to your email for the confirmation email with your username and password. Once you've logged into Quizlet, you want to create a set. You can choose to create your own set over the bones of the skeletal system or the muscles of the muscular system. If you have forgotten what the list is of bones and muscles, you can log into your drive and look under the Washam Science View folder. If you do not know where this folder is, you may need to look in the Shared with Me. You will see a Washam Science View. Inside of Washam Science View, you will find a document titled Muscular and Skeletal Systems, and this is the list of muscles and bones that we used in class the other day. In addition, you may also look under iTunes U, and I have the exact same list posted in iTunes U. So you can create your own set by choosing Create, or if you wish, you can search for a Quizlet set. Whenever you search, you can type in bones, skeletal system, muscles. There's lots of different terms you can use. No matter what you search, you're going to come up with sets that people have made. As an example, I'm going to search for bones. Notice there are a lot of different sets made about the bones. You may have to filter through a few to find one that fits. Notice this one's about facial bones. That won't quite work because we want bones for the entire body. I'm going to give this one a shot. And it looks like it has some words in it that we have used in class. It also has a lot of words that we have not used in class. This is pretty easy to fix. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go down here to under Tools. I'm going to choose Copy, and it will make this set, here's all the words, into a set for me. So I can go through the words. Femur is a word I want to keep, but we don't need to learn about the frontal bone, and I can remove that word from the list. So I can continue to remove words that are not used and keep the words that we do use. If I need to add another row, I can go into the last box, hit the Tab button, and it will create a new one, and I can add a bone that is missing. Maybe the rib was missing, and over here I would give the function of the rib. Once you are done, you can choose Create Set. Don't forget that your set needs a title. You may want to change the title, and make sure that you have English and English chosen. Once you save your set, you can go over here on the left hand side, and this is the link to your set. You want to right click, copy the link, go to your blog, create a new post, give your post a title, and you can say, here are my skeletal flashcards, and you can go ahead and right click paste, and there's the link. Or you can highlight, here are my skeletal flashcards, choose link, paste in the URL, open it in a new window, choose add link, and I can just click on that to view your flashcards. You will do the same for the muscles of the muscular system. You can do the same thing. You go back here and you can search and find a set that works for you. Once you have created or found two sets and posted them in your blog, I would like for you to add some pictures from the muscular system. There are 14 muscles that we are required to learn. I would like you to post pictures of at least half or 7 of those muscles. For you to be able to do that, I have a link on my blog that link is right here underneath number 2. Please use this link to locate appropriate pictures for each muscle. It's going to take you to a site called bodybuilding.com. You'll need to scroll down just a little bit and it will say find exercise by body part. We've been using the bicep as an example in class. It will load many different exercises for the bicep. Choose one that's appropriate and is going to highlight the bicep. I'm going to pick this one right here. And you'll notice that it has some very nice pictures of the bicep being flexed. And so you can pick the picture you want. You can right click on the picture and choose copy image. You go back to your blog and you can right click paste, and it will put in that picture that you have chosen. And just be sure to identify what the picture is, so that way we know. Again, you need 7 pictures minimum. You can do all 14 if you like, but 7 minimum. So that's 2 linked flashcards, one for skeletal, one for muscular, 7 pictures from the muscular system. When you are done, you choose publish. And you can view what your post looks like. Have an appropriate title. Here are my skeletal flashcards. I will click on that. It goes to the flashcards that you created, or the ones that you borrowed. Same thing for muscular system flashcards, and then there's one of my 7 pictures. I will check your blog from my list of blogs. There's no need to email it to me or anything. You can watch this video as many times as you needed, and that is how you will use Quizlet and your blog to help you study for the skeletal, bones, and the muscular muscle system test, which will be next week.